This is the Rhino USA survival shovel with pick, and I got this because we were going on a drive on beach and you had to have a shovel in your truck to say that you could get yourself out if you did get stuck. You had to have a few other things, but this is one of the things that you needed. So you're going off-roading or you just like to have a shovel in your car so you can get yourself out if you do end up getting stuck, then you're going to want to get one of these. So let me show you how to put it together. So shovel does fold away into this little packet here. It's got a clip and then you can unvelcro it. So it is on the smaller side. So you flick it out. So there's the pick. There's the first bit of the handle, and then you can just screw this in. And because we're going to be using this as a shovel to begin with, I'm just going to screw this down, and that allows us to be in shovel mode. So it's got a handle at the bottom here and a handle at the top, so you can dig away. Now you're not going to be digging major trenches here, but if you need to scoop some sand out of the way or some mud if you're off-roading, then this will do the job for you. I'll leave it linked in the description below so you can check it for yourself and get one if you need one. If you want to use it as a pick, unscrew this bolt down here, flick it up, maybe a little more, like that, and then you can tighten that back up. And now you're in pick mode, so you can pick away or pick on this side as well, kind of scoop things back and get it out of the way. So if you are in sand, this is going to work really well to clear your tires so you can get out of whatever you're stuck in. You do get different types of handle, but I've got the straight version here. To fold the shovel, it's just the reverse of how you put it together. Undo this nut at the top first. It's going to allow it to start folding flat, and then take off this handle. You can now fold flat, and you can put it back in the bag. And if you are in the market for a shovel, I'd really recommend that you get this Rhino shovel.